everyone, it's Heather here from the Greensboro Children's Museum. I am in the edible schoolyard kitchen today because I would love to share a really healthy yet simple recipe that you can make and create and enjoy in the hot summer months. All right, so I'm going to introduce a few of our ingredients for this recipe. The main ingredient, the spotlight ingredient, would be dates. Okay, so a container of dates. You will need any type of nut butter. I am using sun butter today, and this is a crunchy sun butter, so I can still see actually sunflower seeds in there, which add an extra nice touch to this snack. And then a topping for our snack, you can go with anything that you desire for a topping, but I tend to have a bit of a sweet tooth, so I'm going with some chocolate chips, little mini chocolate chips there. Let me tell you a little bit about why I chose this recipe to share with you. It is packed full of things that are really great for your body. So dates, we'll start with these lovely little dates. Sometimes I eat them just straight up. There's pits in there, so make sure you get the pit out. But they are loaded with protein, vitamins, such as our B vitamins, which is really important for hair, skin, and overall health. It's an energy booster. There's potassium in there, and there's also fiber, which helps with digestion. Okay, and then I'm gonna jump to sun butter. Of course, there's protein in sun butter. There's high levels of unsaturated fats, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E. So let's get started assembling this recipe. So the first thing that we need to do is take your dates out. We're gonna slice them open. This is the pit I was telling you about. You're gonna wanna remove this part of it, and you want a nice little boat, a date boat. So I didn't cut it all the way open. You see that? Just kind of a butterfly slice. All right, so let's get them all cut. Okay, now that we have our dates cut and the pits removed, we are ready to add our nut butter, sun butter, peanut butter, whatever you're choosing to use. You're gonna need something to spread with. So I'm using a butter knife here. You can use a spreader, you can use a spoon, whatever you have in the kitchen. Here we go. Okay, now that our dates are filled with sun butter, we are ready to add the last ingredient, chocolate chips, my favorite. All right, my friends, our recipe is assembled and ready for the freezer. We're gonna pop these in there for about 30 minutes. There you have it, folks. Now you have a nice, healthy, simple recipe you can make at home, and you don't have to feel guilty about eating these or serving to your family or friends. Enjoy.